To you, my brother. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, Henry. That's an amazing introduction. And ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure and honor talking to you tonight. The business opportunity is beautiful. I never seen such a wonderful opportunity in my entire life. This is the first opportunity where I have seen cumulative benefits on your working. Okay, so most of the businesses we built in the past, you do perform and you get paid. With the existing team, you may not able to get any income. But here the scenario is totally different. Once you start building the team, with the existing team, you will be earning lifetime. That's something which is very, very unique. And here in Nominex, there are a lot of unique selling points are there, which I will explain step by step so that you know that this is not one among the opportunity. This is the opportunity because we were looking for such a genuine, a transparent opportunity in our life for a longer period of time. God has just listened to our prayers and he has just brought Nominex in our life. Okay, I'm going to share the business idea with you and have a look. And I don't want you to gauge with my speech. You do your due diligence. The moment you start doing your due diligence, you will come to know the business has a big potential. It can give you millions and millions of dollars because cryptocurrency is the world where everyone in the world is actually following cryptocurrency like a crazy people. So any business presentation we starts with Almighty's present. Next to 30 seconds, we'll do a small prayer so that the business presentation goes well in Africa and everyone participating on this particular call is going to make millions and millions of dollars. Let us just do a small prayer. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Nominex is a cryptocurrency exchange. Now, this cryptocurrency exchange is based in Seychelles Island. Okay, so they started in the year of 2019 and they are running very successfully for last 3 years. And Nominex has launched its cryptocurrency token, which is known as NMX token in the year of 2021, February this year. Okay, it is absolutely a DeFi token, decentralized finance based token. In cryptocurrency, the current trending is DeFi. So we belongs to absolutely fabulous trending business right now. Okay, so before we go into the presentation, I'm going to ask you a few questions. You can answer yourself. Are you looking for this? Okay, the first question is, do you want to earn a passive income for the next 72 years? That's my first question. I'm sure everybody's answer might be yes. Okay, do you want a regular monthly income? Most of the business people, we are facing a challenges whereby that some month we might have a bigger income and that has to go for at least 3-4 months. We will not have any income. That's the biggest challenges for business people. But if you have an opportunity to earn a regular monthly income, will you consider such a good opportunity? Nominex will provide you with that. And in this business, we are going to create a staking. That is the basic point to start this business. The moment you start creating the staking with this company, it has the ability to grow up to 300% with the power of compounding. And the most unique selling point of this business is that you can withdraw your principal any point in time. There is no lock-in period. Some of the staking companies have lock-in periods like 18 months, 1 year, and some of the companies have 2 years, 200 days. Like that, they will be having a lock-in period, whereby in Nominex, the principal doesn't have any lock-in period. If you wanted to wish, you can withdraw any point in time. Now, the next question comes that how long I will get my yield? So as long as you keep your staking, that long you are going to get your yield. That means if you keep your staking lifelong, you're going to get the yield lifelong as well. No amount limit on your staking, even though company has 5 different categories, starting from $100, $300, $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000. If you wish to stake $100,000 in one account, you can do that. If you wish to stake $1 million in one account, still you can able to do that. that will give you regular income month on month. Now, this is basically based on safest and latest technology, DeFi technology. DeFi, if I need to simply explain, whatever the people who are there in the banking, whatever the business they are doing, the exact business is done in decentralized format. That is called DeFi. Okay, so that means it's secure, safe, and we can able to just judge with that. And no deposit with the company or a person, because we are getting into the smart contract. Now that entire money will be lying in the decentralized finance, decentralized exchange, which is called PancakeSwap. Okay, so there are more than 4,000 projects is there in Binance Smart Chain, and Nominex is nominated one among the top 20 projects by Binance itself. Okay, if I'm saying somebody is a good football player, Ronaldo is also saying that that guy is a good football player, but he requires some few techniques. So whose judgment will be right? Mine or Ronaldo? Obviously Ronaldo, because he knows football in and out. Like that, actually, BSC Scan, that is BSC project, actually Binance Smart Chain itself says that actually upcoming project, we are nominating the top 20 project. Among that, Nominex is also there. So that shows the credibility, the potentiality. So that is what makes Nominex as a unique business opportunity too. Now, as I already mentioned, it's a smart contract, 100% decentralized. Capital gain is always there when the coin price increases, because today the coin price is $2.5. Tomorrow, if it goes to $25, you have 10 times capital gain. If it goes to $250, 100 times. So there is a possibility of capital gain is also there, and that's an added advantage too. And monthly income will always increase as your team staking is increasing. People who are going to build this business, their team is not going to stagnate. Their team will always grow. When the team grows, your monthly income also will grow simultaneously. And the company is running this exchange since 2019, and it's a 100% transparent business. You can able to Google it. You can able to just view it online. Everything, whatever I said, you don't require to believe. You can do your due diligence and come to the conclusion. And once you start earning money, that if you wish to withdraw daily, you can do that. If you wish to withdraw weekly, you can do that. If you wish to withdraw monthly, you can do that. That's you to decide. This opportunity provides three different kind of income: active income, passive income, and portfolio income. Okay, once you start building your team, you get an active income. Once you start investing your money in staking, that will provide you a passive income for life, and portfolio income, that we are investing in the coin. If the coin price appreciated, so automatically you are also going to get benefits out of it. Capital gain benefits also will be there. Like the great Warren Buffett famously said, choosing your money to work for you is the smartest way of earning money. If you're not focused on doing this, you are not really getting most out of the money you have made or saved too. The best idea would be to place that money in a place that would give you high returns, and hence building and making more money for you. So you working alone is not enough. We have to make sure our money is also working for us. So this is the absolutely fabulous saying from Warren Buffett. Now we have come to know that how to make our money work for us. There are thousands of ways there. You can able to invest your money in banking sector. You can invest in stock market, mutual funds. You can invest in gold. You can invest in real estate. Okay, but always remember, it is always advisable that you should invest your investments based on the trend. Okay, right now the entire world, the trend is cryptocurrency. So it is advisable that if you are investing your money in cryptocurrency, that will provide you big returns. So you should start focusing on investing your money into cryptocurrency. So now such one platform is called the Nominex. Nominex providing you such a beautiful opportunity that you can invest money in NMX DeFi, and where that you can also grow and you can also build an affiliate marketing program too. So Nominex is the first intra-trading cryptocurrency exchange which is registered in Seychelles Island. Okay, you can see the certificate of incorporation, which is very much there on the screen. And 3rd date of February 2020, that is when the company has done the registration, international registration. Before that, in 2019, company has registered in Estonia. That was a local registration. So who is running the show? These are the three important people who are running this show behind. Pavel Sakatin is the Chief Executive Officer of this company. Alexandra Petrovich is a Chief Technology Officer. Denis Garbobolo is a Chief Experience Officer. Now, all these three people having a tremendous amount of experience in cryptocurrency industry. Also, they have a lot of experience in the latest technologies, and as well as running an exchange is also they have a lot of knowledge. And that makes us to plan a huge plan, and they have planned an amazing platform with the DeFi technology. Okay, so the company has following a yield farming technology. You can able to Google it. You can able to go and check it on the coin market cap. Okay, there are a lot of yield farming protocols are growing very fast and quick. Okay, so cryptocurrency, Bitcoin started in the year of 2008. Since then, okay, it has just grown up to $50,000, whereby there are some yield forming protocol. Ion Finance coin has just gone up to $80,000. You can see the potential growth within the 1 year, 2 years. They are having a multiple times growth than Bitcoin. Why? Because they are DeFi platform. They are more genuine. They are investor friendly. That's the reason people are ready to invest a lot of money in the DeFi platforms. Okay, so Nominex is also following the same protocol. With that protocol only, we are getting yield for the staking what we are keeping with the company. So this is the Twitter page of Binance Smart Chain. As I told you earlier, that we are nominated one among the top 20 projects. You can see the logo of Nominex is here. So that's an added advantages for us to promote the business. So with this opportunity, you will be able to get a daily income for 72 years farming income, because the company has the number of coins which will be coming in 72 years to the market. So the plan is very well executed, and that's an added advantage. So no fees is required on trading. You can buy cryptocurrency using your Visa and MasterCard in Nominex itself. So DeFi technology, I've already explained to you, it's the latest technology when it comes to the cryptocurrency industry, and we are into that. Nominex is a centralized exchange based in Sizzles. Nominex token is launched in DeFi, and Nominex works on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so this is an added advantage to know that the details, the depth knowledge of Nominex. Now, Nominex also affiliated with Binance. We are launching a brokerage program, and it will give a big mileage for all of us, because all the people who are in Binance will start doing trading from Nominex. That will give a lot of added advantage to them. So automatically the Nominex coin popularity will increase, and the price of the coin will shoot in big way. So it's a time to invest, because I'm sure within the month or two to come, the price of the Nominex will definitely shoot. Okay, so whatever I said, it is always listed on these exchanges. You can able to Google it. Nominex informations are available in Nominex, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, .com, PancakeSwap, CryptoCompare, all these websites. You can able to just Google them, and you will see Nominex details there furnished on that. So now it's a time to see how to take benefits from the Nominex coin. For that, what you need to do, you have to create a staking with the company. The moment you create the staking, you will get a daily income. With that income, you can able to refer people and start building a team. So that gives you additional incomes. So now how to start this business? These are the 5 different categories where you can start this business with. You can start with $100, $300, 1,000, 5,000, and 10,000. When you create your staking based on the mentioned amount, you will get your daily returns. So cumulatively, how much you will get in a month. So if you see, a person who is investing $100 will get minimum $5. It can go up to $13. The person who is investing in $300, minimum we will get $15. It can go up to $40. VIP person who is investing in $1,000, minimum you will get $50. It can go up to $135. Elite, a person who is investing in Elite will get minimum $250. It can go up to $685. The person who is investing in $10,000, you will get minimum of $500. It can go up to $1,450 in a month. Is that a good money? I'm sure actually that in traditional market, it will be very difficult to get such a big amount of money. And this is absolutely a blockchain based, a DeFi based opportunity. So hence risk-free. And you can able to withdraw your money any point in time. If you don't want it to continue, you can withdraw your money. So that's an added advantage. So you can start creating your staking immediately. So if you start creating your staking immediately, what will happen? You will start referring your friends and families to the business. When you do that, what will happen? Now, based on the packages you start with, the binary and referral commissions will be provided. If you start with $100, you will get 5% binary, 5% referral commission. Start with 300, 8% binary, 8% referral. $1,000 will give you 10% binary, 10% referral. $5,000 will give you 15% binary and 15% referral. And $10,000 will give you 20% binary and 20% referral commission. Okay. So looking at the screen, what I did, I have just created an example of you are creating with $1,000 and you are also referring your friends with the $1,000. What will happen in binary and referral commission? Let's see that. Once you put in $1,000, that will give you minimum income of 50 to 130 monthly to you, lifetime. And this person putting $1,000, he will also get 50 to 130. The other person on the other side is also putting the same $1,000. He will also get 50 to 130. So this person every month will contribute $5 to $13 to you, because other companies pays referral commission once, but Nominex pays lifetime. So this person will contribute $5 to $13 every single month. So referral commissions you're getting paid on a daily basis. That means you should never give your personal reference to anyone. Now let's see this side. There are 100 people have just joined and everybody started with $1,000 package. That means the total business volume what you have provided is $100,000. The other side, you have 90 people joined with $1,000, so it is $90,000. So that means this side, each person earning $100, it means the total team income is $10,000. Here, the total team income is $9,000. Whatever the team earns, you get 10% of their income as your monthly income. So that means here in this case, you are getting $900 monthly from this team. Next month, imagine if the team is not growing, it is stagnated here, but you upgraded your package from $1,000 to $5,000. Instead of getting $900, you will be getting $1,350. That's good, right? So your income has just gone to 1.5 times. But what will happen if you upgrade to $10,000? Instead of getting $900, you will be getting $1,800. So that is the beauty of it. And I'm sure our team will not stop here. It will further grow. So every time it grows, your income further grow. Even if it is a new person, only one person comes in, will contribute to your monthly income, and it will keep on hiring, keep on high. It will grow. It will keep on growing. So it will never go down. It will always goes up. That's the unique point of Nominex. Now let's see that whether the Nominex has the real potential to grow. Okay, these are the exchanges based tokens. I have given you two examples. One is Binance, another one is called WazirX. Now Binance, when they launched their token, the token price was $1 in 2017. If you put in $100,000 that time, you would have been made $69 million by 2021. Within 3 years, your money has grown 690 times. Your $100,000 would have been gone to $69 million. Very huge amount of income, right? Now, what will happen actually if you have purchased WazirX in 2018 with $100,000, it would have been gone to $450,000. That is the potential of exchange-based token, because exchange-based token has a lot of backups. Due to the backup, it goes fast and quick. So right now, Nominex price is 2.40, and it also has a potential to grow to $200 to $300 maybe in 2025. Still, it's a big money, right? So it's a time to focus on the business and start building the business and start earning income in Nominex coin and start accumulating this coin as much as you can. By 2021, 2025, you can sell out all your coins if you want and become a multi-billionaire too. So that's an amazing opportunity. So don't think too much. Okay, you can go and Google it, get the informations, take a decision, be a part of this opportunity and start building Africa, because Africa is absolutely virgin on this opportunity. Nobody knows about Nominex. You are the first few people who are hearing about Nominex. So that means you know always early bird catch up the worm. So that means you have higher possibility of getting a bigger leverage. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. So if you have any questions, clarifications, please unmute yourself and ask.
That was powerful, my leader. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Yes. Welcome, guys. I think we've heard the opportunity. We've heard from our great leader.
Yeah.
Now it's a time now to ask questions if you have, or comments. If you probably missed a point somewhere, you want to get some clarification, kindly be free, unmute yourself and ask a question. Sophia, do you want to talk something?
Sophia, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so you heard the presentation now.
Yes.
Now you have any questions?
Yeah, I got a question about that. I got my download, my downline registered today under me. I got someone registered under me.
Okay.
But she's not showing up in my team.
Okay. I've already guided Henry. Please download Firefox in your mobile. That will easily help you to do the registration and all. Because sometime in Google, it is giving a challenges. So please download Firefox on your mobile and do the registration. It will just show up.
Okay.
Okay, do the verifications, and some
Thank you.
videos are available in YouTube. Go to the YouTube and search for it. You will get all those answers.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right, Tony, over to you. Welcome.
Johnny, are you there?
Tony, can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, Natraj Muralidhar Singh, you have unmuted, sir. You wanted to ask any questions?
No, sir. There's some problem. It is getting mute. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. If you don't have any questions, that's okay. No problem.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Any question, guys? Any question? Please, let's ask you. And just to add on the presentation from our brother and friend from India, who is also Mr. Shiva. This opportunity is a very much big opportunity, looking at it. And if you have registered, kindly go through, go in the website, read, and also do your due diligence. Go to YouTube, watch videos, listen, and really you're gonna be enlightened, and you'll be surprised at how big is opportunity and how big this is going to change our life. Tony, you wanna speak something, Tony?
Okay. Yes,
Welcome.
greetings, leaders. Sorry, I messed up. I don't know where I clicked, and I just lost everything.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Yes, my question was, I just still I wanted still a clarification on the binary bonus.
Okay.
When Mr. Shiva explained when you get like 10,000 on the left and then another 9,000 or 90,000 on the right. So there I think I missed.
Okay, you want explanation once again?
I didn't get it clearly on the